Yeah, today we are in Vietnam, installing the AR camera for this. You see on top, this one is a piece of plastic. So we'll remove this guy and install the AR camera for this Vietnam spec C43. Yeah, this is before we did this job. You see, only one page. Yeah, I got the navigation, so you can see we are in this area in Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, so later we will add this like AMG track pace, like so-called inside the app. You can see nothing here, so we will add a few apps like the dash cam, etc. And the augmented reality inside here. View, we don't have anything here, right? Later we will see here got more stuff. And the map version, let's show you. Now this is a 2025 V12. We will upgrade it to V13, which is the latest. Yeah. And we'll also turn off this auto start stop later on. Yeah, remove the screen, and now we are going to remove this piece. Yeah, the job is done. So we will have the traffic light assist. You can see the information, right? Okay. Acoustic notification. And this is a new one inside the navigation system. You can see over here you have this view, you have this augmented reality, right? Traffic light assist, you can also setting over here, right? And the map version is now V13. Okay, and basically we install this AR camera over here. I haven't mounted this cover, so you can see clearly the camera, right? This is the camera. Yeah, there's one extra thing which is called AMG track pace, which this is a telemetry, jag race. And inside this app you can see a lot of extra dash cam. You can do loop recording, right? And you can have this camera app. You can take photo, right? Either it's the front camera. Wow, this is upside down. Okay, that's good. Okay, our final job. Oh, this car is relative brand new one, almost. Can service, can see warning, 0 messages, right? Okay, and over here, yeah, like this, new one, got dash cam over here, and the augmented reality over here. Because we are now in the car park, so we cannot test this one. And this one, the camera also need to be calibrated when you are driving. Okay, light fix, huh? It won't work. Yeah, beautiful. Almost there. Is it? The U thing is like this way? Yeah.